we're reacting to King Oumar. University Confession, UJ WITS. Subscribe. Let me give you a second. Subscribe. Oh, wait. Afuni phela sikusondele. Subscriber. Off. Good. Like lapho umuqeda.
Yeah. Cool. Now we're gonna start watching.
So what is your body count? What's the craziest thing you've seen in varsity?
Dang! I ain't gonna lie, bro. Dang! Let me tell you, I seen two people smashing on the bench.
Yo, boy, I remember this one time.
Discount code for you guys at the end of this video. So make sure you guys go check it out. Prices are extremely low. Subscribe. Game!
AKA Black King.
Carla and
Carissa 2.0.
Carissa 20, can I hear?
AKA Black King coming through. Y'all know what it is.
Oh, you're coming through too?
No, I don't know. Tell
Okay.
me.
Okay, so today.
Ebony.
Alliance Battles. dis.igg.com. Asebenzeni.
Sponsors.
The reason I'm saying I'm is a sponsor since sponsor. These are making this party. Shut up. By any means necessary.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Seeing, Buffett. Come on now. Hey.
Improved Vicks Vaporub Vaporizing Ointment now relieves 5 cough and cold symptoms.
So I see.
Maybe I have a little question for you guys. Are you guys varsity students?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's not asking you. Okay, that's lit. So what I want to know today is, what's the craziest thing you've seen in varsity?
Dang! I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Hey, like he's been waiting to share this thing.
Dang! Let me tell you, I seen two people smashing on the bench.
Dead ass,
bro.
In the day time.
Dead ass. These wild guys. Y'all.
How possible is that?
Crazy, man.
Niggas is operating over your head. What have you seen?
I haven't seen anything.
Nothing.
No.
She's doing this, man.
Even when you have glasses, you can't see.
I can't. And I stay here.
That's crazy. So what is the craziest thing you have done then?
Jane, what am I lying on this channel?
She's trying to expose herself. Damn, you got a problem with you.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Have you done anything crazy?
No.
So if you haven't done anything crazy, and she has done something crazy, that means she ain't done it with you.
But I heard that.
What did you do?
They will hurt you. Oh, no. Yeah, bro, it's crazy. That's what I'm saying. It's crazy.
Damn. I don't worry, boy. You'll get it one day, boy. Is there anything crazy you're trying to do maybe with her?
Yeah, for sure.
Is there anything crazy you're trying to do on campus? I mean, you already done it before, so.
What?
Do you guys want to drop your Instagram handles?
Carla Way.
Yeah?
And?
Carissa.
I don't care. But okay, one more last question just for the day, just to set up the vibe and see what's happening. The people just want to know, what is your body count?
0.
Yeah.
So what is the crazy thing?
By the way, nebody count sibuza ngenhla nangenzansi nangemuva collectively. Ukazoba laba ibayibiza ukazoba laba buffer zones la mhlathi wakho. I was trying to go.
Ooh, I never.
Okay. What's your body count?
You know you can't ask me these things.
What?
You can't ask me these things, bro.
Oh, you already answered it like 10 times.
10 times. On your page even, though, like, yo, 20 times. What was it the last time?
The last time I remember was like 15.
No, -5.
Oh. So it's 10.
Huh?
So it's 10.
No, minus another 5.
Another 5. So it's 25.
Minus.
He's just reading his girlfriends. But yeah, guys, we're back again. I'm here with.
YGFXP.
And?
Popsy official.
Okay. I see you guys having a good time today. Are you guys having a good time?
Yeah, we live, dog.
On a Monday.
Good. We're
Jane,
good.
how's campus today?
It's good.
Is that? Okay. So what we want to know today is...
Ngithuma ingane yakho ukuthi uyofunda. Ibone emafonini. Futhi yami. Ngizokubhonya ngekukholwe. Uxebula, ukunenebula. Udufula yewena. Ubheka amanzi.
What's the craziest thing you've seen happen on campus?
Craziest thing I've seen happening on campus.
Yeah.
I feel like in Jolo.
Yeah. To what level?
Yeah, it's like that level.
Yeah. On campus.
At night, night.
Niggas were like...
Well, I mean, everyone's minding their business, taking walks, You see some sketchy shit, but it's...
What did you see exactly? People want to know. Detailed.
Bro, just in Jolo, like I said. People being lovey-dovey and,
To what level?
I mean... The level we all know.
The kissing level.
Kissing, even a little bit beyond that.
The sexual level, the sex thing on campus.
Yeah, at night though.
Hey, there was a lot going on. What have you seen?
I don't think I've seen anything crazy.
Okay, what have you seen then?
I think a nigga getting curved. Like,
Curved?
Yeah.
Shit, we're getting curved on campus.
Yeah, like
Okay.
on a serious.
That's deep. Okay, so what is the craziest thing that you guys are planning on doing?
The what?
Craziest thing you're
Thing.
planning on doing on campus?
Nothing. I'm trying to keep a low profile.
Damn.
Craziest thing is finishing my degree, bro. It's tough.
That's bad. How many years now?
Why is that crazy?
7, 8?
Nah, man. Last year. My third year.
The third year?
Yes,
Or just studying?
Public management and governance.
Oh, so you smart.
I mean, I'm okay.
Okay.
I got
Are you smart?
I mean, I'm studying law.
Nice. So you memorizing stuff and everything.
Yeah.
So if someone is in trouble, they
Do I want to say this? You don't exactly have to be much of a critical thinker to do law. Because you interpret the law, right? Like, you don't create laws. If it's like fun by scientists or engineers. Like, you're taking things further as opposed to law. It's like interpretation.
They can hook you
I
up
got
to the
you.
lawyer.
I got you.
Alright, cool. Do you guys want to drop your Instagram?
Yes, mine's popsyofficial_.
And you?
Mine is at YGFXB.
Okay, before we go, people just want to know. Remember, I'm not asking these questions, man.
Yeah, for
The
sure.
people who are asking. What did you guys...
Ufuna ukubheka izulu mojo kanje. Ubejet abantu abobani labo bantu babise. Batshela ukuthi ngithi msulu wabo.
The body count.
Yo. Out of sharp turn. I am purely virgin.
Okay, let's not lie, guys. You're on camera.
No, but like on a serious.
On a public platform, you're lying. 0.
Yeah. Don't know what that's about.
Yeah, nah, okay.
Oh, dog.
Maybe
what?
she's 0, but like... what's your body count? Yeah.
Not too high as you guys would probably think.
Okay, so what is it?
What do you mean?
Maybe like a handful.
A handful.
Yeah.
So like 10.
A handful.
Just okay, 10. Yeah, my hands are...
Wow.
Okay, cool. So you're trying to help her make it 1? At least.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, are you saving for your loyal boyfriend?
Ngathi bathi into efanele ukuthenga iflavor noma ukhiphisa intuthu.
Suke bafanele behabi. Suke bafanele behabi.
Ngathi ukutshela ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthenga iflavor.
No.
Then?
Not even marriage.
Not even married?
Yeah, I'm just saving it for something that I see is,
Serious?
Yeah, makes
Come
sense.
serious, my guy. What's happening? Oh, you have a
My
girlfriend?
family.
What do you mean your family?
My family, though.
How do you mean?
Slide.
We've
Slide.
been.
Oh, so she put you in the family zone and you're like, I quit.
Now, I put myself.
Sikuthuma ukuthi uyofunda wena wakho umndeni.
There.
Oh, you put yourself
I was
there.
like, hey, sis.
How do you feel that she doesn't want to do anything with you?
Oh, I'm okay.
You're okay with it?
I'm okay.
Interesting. I enjoy you guys. We'll come back after a year. They'll tell us, hey, something happened. Wow. But anyways, guys. Yo, it's hot, yeah.
No, it's not as hot as
It's not. Oh, I thought you were going to say not as hot as me, but okay. Are you recording? Hey, what do you do? What's good, beautiful people? I'm back again. I'm here with?
Mbalenhle.
Okay, Mba. Like, so you know Mbali that Nessie was talking about? Mbali.
Yes, I don't know, maybe.
FNB.
I need funeral cover.
Angidingi funeral cover. Sebenzeni imali madoda. Sebenzeni. Ningivuleleni lento kabadokotela. Private wealth account. Sebenzeni. Prime.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Okay, Mbali, I see you. The question we have for today, not so crazy. We just wanted to know.
No, but you know I don't trust you. Your questions are crazy.
No, not today. Today we're taking like a chill pill, Nyana. Not too crazy.
Okay.
Just wanted to know, what's the craziest thing you've seen on campus?
I'm new.
New?
I'm new.
Like fresh out the box and everything.
Okay, not really. I was first year, last year.
Yesterday,
and then,
okay.
yeah, yesterday.
Yeah.
I was first year last year.
Yeah, but
and
no.
then it was online. So
you've only been here for what, like 3 weeks?
for 3-4 weeks.
Okay, interesting. What's the craziest thing you've done in high school then?
A high school.
What I go for?
A high school.
I
Qhubekani nama-rights enu. Qhubekani. Namalungelo yethu.
I was in grade 10.
10.
Burnt my ex's shit.
In high school?
Yeah, bemhlanya, like I was crazy.
Benze shit.
Like,
Ushise i-cool bag.
Sengane esikole.
you were crazy, so no more crazy.
Like, yeah, I think normal crazy, not crazy. Is that crazy? I don't.
How is normal crazy? Angie Mutsecha.
I think that's crazy. That's not crazy.
No, that's crazy.
That's not crazy. It's been worse. No, that hasn't been worse. It's just that one.
So you feel like you're no more crazy or you think you're still?
No, definitely not. Not anymore. Now I just say less. You're toxic. I leave you alone.
So you have a boyfriend right now?
No, I don't.
Okay, guys, she's looking for a boyfriend.
I'm not looking. I don't chase. I attract.
Okay, Mbali. Okay, but the real question we have for today is, remember, this is not me asking this question, it's the people. The people trying to know, you know what I'm saying? What is your body count?
Hypo. Hi. None of your business.
No, I told the people want to know.
What if I was a virgin?
I'm asking.
I like the fact that you said what if.
No, I can't tell you. I can't disclaim that.
Okay, tell me.
Disclose.
I'm not gonna tell you. Huh? What? What did you say?
5.
No, I'm not telling you.
10.
I'm not telling you.
15.
Dude, do I look like a 15 hand? No.
26.
Ew.
Okay, 5.
What does a 59
No,
look like?
less.
3.
I'm not gonna tell you. Just know it's less.
Less than 5. Okay, so when Hans, apparently people told me, when Hans tell you the body count is one number, it means you must times it by 3. So you said 5, so 15. So less than 15. Okay.
No, guys, it's not 15.
Okay.
That's definitely not 2 numbers, not 2 digits.
Okay, interesting. Are you trying to change your body count though?
No, I'm not.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, not anymore.
Do you want to drop your Instagram handle?
Sure.
What's your Instagram?
m.entle_.
Okay, shout out.
Shout out, baby.
Thanks for being in the video.
Alright, cool.
Hey, what did I say? Hey. How's that in your nice one, guy?
Easy, man.
Well, you know, usually guys.
What?
Can I finish like this? Usually random people are just asking, yo, what's your name, wala. But you, what is your intro?
What? It's your boys, we're doing it.
And she, yeah, sir. So they want to know now, what's like the craziest thing you've ever done on campus?
Besides failing a test, I don't know. That's the most, like, besides failing.
Okay, how bad do you feel?
Yo, boy, I remember this one time, I didn't even believe. I got like 10 plus 10.
20?
Yeah, dog.
20%?
Yeah.
It's not bad, but that's average for people.
It's yours. Omar. What's your sorry, what? It's diploma, bachelor, and high certificate. What was your thing? What did you
For
get?
varsity, for high school?
Yeah.
I dropped out in grade 11.
Stop lying, Oumar. You got a D, I know.
Don't say it like that on camera. Oh, I got a high certificate.
You got a D.
But to be honest, man, I've never done anything hectic because every time I go to girls, they tell me what you're short and everything. So I'm like, yo.
Batripe.
I'm telling you, bro, there's other dogs that should make you short.
But guys, I also got a D. I wanted Oumar to admit that he got a D.
So you can be twinning.
Yeah. But I got a B.
I know, you're smart. You even do accounting, you.
Yeah.
That's why you never dropped out. Why you never dropped out yet? YouTube not paying you now.
And I want to give the degree to my mom. Trust. I want to give the degree to my mom and everything.
So you're studying and everything.
Yeah. Well, you know what's the most craziest thing you've ever done?
Oh, like on campus?
Yeah.
The crazy thing, I remember one day, yo, that thing was crazy, bro.
Yeah.
It was one day, dog. There was a hand, man.
Yeah.
So basically, we were like thinking. The normal day, during like first year, you know that time, COVID time, all of that, yeah. So there was a there was a hand on campus, man. Now this hand I had like a crush on her. So one day, you know, I got the chance to speak to her and everything.
Yeah.
And we were talking and everything, dog. And we even vibe, you know, like in the day houses, yeah, those like quiet rooms and stuff. Exactly. We went to those quiet rooms and guess what happened? Guess what happened? I asked for a number. I got a number, dog.
For what, Oumar?
I was just talking on WhatsApp. We even share video call.
Boy, are you?
What an
are you
underwhelming
into dating WhatsApp?
climax.
Oh.
But what? Did she send you pictures at least? Like
The anti-climax.
on WhatsApp?
Oh. Yeah, for YouTube. How are you doing, sir? Fine, and yourself? Hey, good. What's your name, sir? Godfrey. Godfrey? Yeah. I just want to know, what's the craziest thing you have seen people do on campus? Pardon? What's the craziest thing you've seen people do on campus? The what? The craziest thing you have seen. Ah, the students. Hey. What have you seen? Walking half naked, Baba. Walking half naked? Oh, please. The normal thing, that thing.
Oh shit, I just remembered. It was a strike to save video. Kubud.
Oh, ekhantamba nqunu.
Yeah.
Oh, how normal it is, but ayikho normal into leyo mfethu.
Just see them walking.
Akhala bakhona manje. What part of childhood?
Ingane
is this?
zethu.
I'm sure.
The bum shot.
The traumatizing guys.
He's like, this is not normal.
It's bad, man. It's not campus. Okay, when you get one, what's the crazy thing you get that? What's the crazy thing you guys have done before?
Come on, friends. By the time when you are having fun, don't say that on camera. When I watching YouTube, when I've seen your videos on YouTube.
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't do YouTube.
No, I've seen it, but because the last time you were with Ricky, the shoes and the dripping what? Yeah. So how come you see you're not on YouTube?
I was my twin brother.
Then it's something else.
Yeah. Just tell them to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, comment, like, and subscribe.
I'm God. Tell them to like, comment, share, subscribe.
I'm trying.
Comment, like, share, subscribe. I'm God.
Which Arab team?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good and yourself?
I'm great. What's your name, by the way?
Ashley.
Ashley. Okay. How old are you, Ashley?
I'm 21.
21. Okay. What's your phone number? Asking for a friend.
No.
Carissa, I got you. No, check it out.
No.
Okay, we'll get it later. Okay, cool. Anyways, the real question we have for today is we're trying to figure out what's one of the craziest things you've seen happen on campus.
The craziest thing happened on campus.
Yeah.
I can't answer that.
No, you have to. No, not that you have something you have to tell the people.
No,
You don't
I
have to
really
mention
don't.
names or anything, just like say what happened. What did you see?
One thing I've seen. This is for YouTube.
No, it's for
YouTube.
for my home ground, like yeah.
Probably like people doing the do on campus. So yeah.
Like people smashing on campus.
Yeah.
Which campus you in? Which campus you in? Hello, how you guys doing? Nigga, why you running away? Your future wife could be behind this camera. You're running away. Oh, your relationship is personal.
The question you're asking is very
I ask people different questions. Are you guys in a relationship?
nonsense.
You don't know it? Yeah.
Segway, boy.
Okay, you are right now.
No, I'm good. No, thank you. I'm
You
fine.
good?
Yeah.
It's true. Did you hear how high pitched his voice goes? Who's
Are you guys in a relationship?
Nonsense.
You don't know it? Yeah. Okay, you are right now.
No, I'm good. No, thank you. I'm
You
fine.
good? You have a boyfriend? Huh?
Something like that.
Yeah, so basically you're single, like guys.
No. I'm not.
Deep inside you're not.
Just that.
Oh,
I'm not availing myself to people. I want
Just not to him.
that just not
Ah, the boy. Nachi! So what about this one here? She's too cute for you. Sorry.
What?
He said she's too good looking for her. She can't handle you, what she said.
Oh, yeah, makes sense now.
Yeah. You gonna leave her? Yeah. Okay. Enjoy your day, though. Okay, no, but the people actually want to know. No, remember, I'm not asking these questions. The people, yeah, they want to know, like, they're like the people on the thing, huh?
Yeah, it's just like
No, they're not.
on KOTV.
Wanted to know what is your body count in the gym?
My body count?
Yeah.
I'm still a virgin.
So you have a boyfriend? Okay, no, okay, you're still talking, but you're still a virgin.
You know what I just realized? Girls always say, it's fine, what if you look babies are young, you know, like it doesn't mean anything, right?
Yeah.
Could be the same. Makata bonke bazokutshela ukuba amajiji. You're not standing on your word.
Yes.
So that nigga is not able to hit.
No, it's my thing, you know.
Okay, so you're waiting for marriage?
No, wait, it shouldn't be a main priority in a relationship, you know.
No, it's not about that. I'm just asking. Like, you see, the thing is, if a nigga's not hitting, it means that he's hitting somewhere else. You know that?
No, but with me, the moment you want stuff all the damn time, it's a turn off to me.
No, what I'm saying is, if the guy doesn't want clove from you, it means he's getting from another girl. So he's dating you,
fine.
but love, but he's...
Fine, it's okay. You
So-
from someone else, I'm not gonna get it from me.
Okay. So your boyfriend is cheating, you're cool with it?
I'm not dating.
Oh.
I'm not in a relationship. You
Now you know why.
Eh,
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Your husband will be proud of you.
the level of disrespect is insane.
Hayi iqiniso kunjalo. Makes you question reality. Lenzani? Alliance. Kodwa akathi sishaya ama shout out.
I'm responsive.
It's
Okay, thank you. Enjoy. Do you want to drop your Instagram handle in case maybe your future husband is behind the camera?
It's _Z.IZILE__.
Yeah, like I said, your future man is behind the camera.
I say.
Hey, but today I checked what's the password. That's crazy. Okay, enjoy your day. Let's go. How you guys doing? I'm back again.
Yes,
What you
sir.
guys'
Chip and dip is as a corner.
Oh, do you guys know who this
Did you
is?
see that?
Tell them who you are.
What?
I forgot you.
Buka luzondlula ngemuva.
How you guys doing? I'm back again with you guys' favorite superstar. Do you guys know who this is? Tell them who you are. I forgot you.
Excuse me.
No, because you haven't been on the channel for like 6 years.
Okay, true. Hi guys, it's me Nancy.
Yay, she's back! So basically today we're doing a prank. Nah, I'm joking. You like pranks, right?
No.
You're already excited. She was like, yay!
No.
But anyways, the real question of the day, you just wanted to know, what's like the craziest, most freakiest thing you've seen happen on campus?
Nothing, hey? I feel like my side of campus is like super boring. Nothing.
What school do you go to?
School of Arts. So I'm here at WITS.
WITS.
School of Arts, yeah.
So as students, they don't be like,
No, nothing happens, hey? Like,
okay, what about high school?
I was in an all girls school, like, big people.
Man, your life is boring. You know what I'm saying?
I'm so sorry. Nothing's fun to your
Okay, so tell me something. Okay, now we're gonna spice it up a bit. Yeah?
Okay.
Now, remember, I'm not asking these questions. The viewers, the audience. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like, the people want to know, and answer honestly.
Yeah.
What is your body count?
I don't have that.
Huh?
What's that?
Oh, you left it at
Unkept.
I left it at home. Yeah, somewhere at home.
Unkept that I have.
Somewhere at home.
Yeah, somewhere
But
at
I
home.
also checked the last time. I thought it was like 10.
Nah,
Lower,
could
eh?
never be. Much
Not you,
lower.
eh?
Not me. They could never.
They could never.
They could
10
never.
niggas could never.
Never.
Ah, imagine.
Never.
Even one is struggling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Enjoy your day. Do you want to shout out your Instagram?
Y'all can find me at minentle.makubu_.
Musak.
Thank you, my face.
Sure.
Hey man, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you felt deeply to me.
Shade.
Yeah, that was the end of the video. Today, I don't know, it was just an underwhelming video for me.
Yeah. Mina bengithi nje Nkosi yami. Shuthi fanele sibuke iCrip basifune ukhevi fan futhi. Hey, Nkosi yami.
Yeah, that was the video.
Like, subscribe, suggest any video you'd like us to react to also, and so hlangana via.
Peace.